What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I am here in Best Buy. That's right, and the new phones were announced by Samsung. I got the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and also the S25. Now, the S25 Ultra has those new rounded corners. This is the Super Blue, or Silver Blue, whatever you want to call it, and it's got those new rounded corners here. This is a big phone, man. This is big. If you're talking about the bigness, this is definitely something that is it's huge. Let's just say that. But it's got the new rounded corners. You can see there, definitely an improvement from the rectangularly shaped that it was before. And you also get the pen on deck. Remember, that's a new S Pen that does not have any Bluetooth, so some of the gestures that you were using on your phone before, it's not going to be the same. I believe this one is actually a better device to hold in the hand. That's the S25 Plus. Now, this is the navy blue. That's a hot color. I like the colors on the S25 Plus and the S25 better than the Ultra. As you can see, you got the silver shadow, mint, icy blue, and navy. Same colors here for the S25. This is a little boy. This is really small, but nice little phone if you're looking to pick up a new device. Now, there is some great trade-in deals for this phone right now. Make sure that you guys check out the link down in the description so that you can pre-order. You get some credits there, $50 credit. But you're gonna have the beast cameras once again. 200 megapixel camera, also the 50 megapixel camera. You got just killer zoom on this phone as far as the camera capabilities are, and this thing is a big phone. But a lot of the talk today was about the AI features on this phone. A big part of the keynote was all about AI when it came to Samsung. I'm not too keen on the Bluetooth not having what it was supposed to have, like in the S24 Ultra. I think they should have kept that. But you get a big display, 6.9 Quad HD display. You get big storage if you want to go 512, even 1 terabyte. And then you got the little buddies. You got the S25 Plus and also the S25 if you want to do that. But these are on sale right now. Plenty of good prices. Drop down in the description if you want to pick this up. If you got any questions about the device, let me know. I'm going to play around with it here in the store, take some pictures with it, maybe post them on social media so you can kind of see what you're getting. But this is the Silver Blue device from Samsung. Kind of glad I got the jet black, the Samsung exclusive, but we'll see. I'm going to get out of here. I'm Android Stud. Peace. Samsung.